question still swirling about why these clown encounters are sweeping the country right now.
An old mining cemetery is a stone's throw away. This is an absolute nightmare.
The scariest one in all of America.
The point is that she woke up and there was a large life-size clown, like the one in the corner, standing in front of his bed.
Sometimes when I go ghost hunting out here, my battery goes out.
You've never seen a place like this. Welcome to the Clown Motel.
Clown Motel. Clown Motel.
Clown Motel. And the Clown Motel.
All right, welcome to Creative TV, and today we're in Tonopah, Nevada at the World Famous Clown Motel. With that being said, let's jump in the video and let's check this place out. All right, so this is room 108. It's a theme room. It's better known as the It Room. It's based on the 1986 horror novel by American author Stephen King. Now, I like this room, but I wouldn't stay the night. I like how it's well put together with the clowns. I like that old refrigerator, that vintage refrigerator. This right here can get pretty scary at night. But overall, I think this is one of the best rooms that I've seen, but not a fan of staying overnight. This room is also known to be haunted. This room is also one of the rooms that gets reserved the most. When I was here filming, this room was on reserve, so we had to hurry up and film because we didn't want the guests coming in while we were filming. But other than that, I really like the theme of the room. Let's continue to check it out. Alright, so there you have it. The Clown Motel, room 108, the It Room. Would you stay? Let me know. Alright, so here's an aerial view of the Clown Motel. And as you can see, it's being remodeled. Here at the Clown Motel, there's been several horror movies made at this Clown Motel. The movies are actually called Clown Motel. I know there's Clown Motel 1, Clown Motel 2. There's a few more movies that were made here. So be sure to check those out. Alright, so this is the old Tonopah Cemetery, which began in 1901 with the first burial of John Randall Weeks, made from silver mining, telling that at one point completely buried the graves of their markers in this heart of town. So from 1901 to 1911, the cemetery was the final resting place for nearly 300 people, most of which were victims of the wild and rowdy Wild West lifestyle and the health and safety standards of the times. Most who are laid to rest here were the victims of the mysterious Tonopah plague in 1902, and the disaster of Belmont mine fire that occurred February 12, 1911. So two of the biggest names buried in the cemetery is Big Bill Murphy, who died saving others in this very fire at the young age of 28. And the second is County Sheriff Thomas Logan, who was dismissed after being killed in a shootout in the Manhattan Bordello. The cemetery is also open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Alright, so here we are walking into the main lobby of the Clown Motel. And when you walk into the right is the check-in desk. And there's some displays of some postcards, refrigerator magnets, some apparel, some hats. I did buy a hat. I did like the hat. The hat felt good when I put it on, so I did buy it. There's a lot of clowns inside the lobby, which you'll see in just a moment. And right down the bottom, we got some clown shoes, some t-shirts for sale. Like I said, I like the design on the t-shirts. They also sell hoodies. A lot of apparel inside the lobby area, which I thought was pretty cool. They do a good marketing for their apparel. So right here you'll see a lot of t-shirts. There's some hoodies in there. There's different color hats. Right on the top are the hoodies. And they're very reasonable in pricing as well. So you can't go wrong there. So moving on, there are some more hats there. Straight back against the wall on the top shelf, you have some shot glasses with the Clown Motel logo on there, which I thought was pretty cool. And they have like different color coffee mugs. I think those are like 12-ounce coffee mugs, if I'm not mistaken. And here you go, Clown City right here, baby. There's a lot of clowns. There's some funny clowns, scary clowns, horror clowns, clowns of all nature. So I thought that was pretty cool. I like the horror clowns. They are pretty scary. I can imagine this place at nighttime. It would probably freak me out. But overall, I thought the lobby was put together pretty well. Now, none of the clowns are for sale. They're donated by a lot of different people. They're collector's items as well. So none of the clowns in the lobby are for sale, so you cannot purchase any of the clowns whatsoever. I did take some pictures next to some of the clowns, which I thought was pretty cool as well. Good memory to have. Overall, I like this place, but it's haunted, it's scary. Do not want to stay the night. I tried to film it at nighttime, but it was a little bit too much for me, so I had to like come out during the daytime and film it. But overall, I recommend checking the place out. If you've never been to the Clown Motel, you have to take a road trip and experience it for yourself. So on the wall, you'll see a lot of pictures of different clowns. Like I said, there was some movies made here at the Clown Motel. So if you're into horror movies, you definitely want to check out the horror movies, and you'll definitely see the motel. So that right there, I recommend you see as well. And here are some more pictures of that's funny, Brad Pitt as a clown. That was pretty hilarious. So overall, I like the place. Again, I recommend it. Moving on, there's some clown noses. Those are for sale. You can buy the clown noses, which I didn't purchase any of those, but they are for sale. Straight back against the wall, you can see some of the posters, some of the movies that were made at the Clown Motel. How would you like to wake up and see this guy looking at you? Oh Lord, no. Alright, so here we are back outside, just giving you a closer look at the Clown Motel from an up closer view. So here we are on the second level, going down to the main level towards the lobby. And like I mentioned earlier, the lobby is being remodeled, so it's under construction right now. So if you ever decide that you want to book a reservation at the Clown Motel, I highly recommend you staying in a theme room. The theme room exists of the Exorcist room, the It room, the concept of Halloween, and Friday the 13th. Those are theme rooms. And those are pretty spooky, and I can imagine at night. So keep that in mind. Make sure to book a reservation in a theme room. So Mr. Mehar, the owner of the Clown Motel, gave the Clown Motel a makeover and is still giving it a makeover. And before, the motel had a clown collection ranging around 600 clowns. Today, the Clown Museum boasts over 3,000 clowns, and the name, the World Famous Clown Motel, has become not just a monument on the world map itself. The motel is evolving every day. It is a first choice for ghost hunters, paranormal investigators, spooky fun lovers, YouTubers, horror filmmakers, clown lovers, and more. Now, when they think of a motel to experience the excitement of the unknown, the Clown Motel is the first choice. As usual, Mr. Mehar and his team are busy with their motto, keeping renovating and keep serving, while trying out a little extra to keep each customer happy. Pretty amazing if you ask me. Alright, once again, thanks for stopping by the channel. We hope you enjoyed the video. And please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It helps us out. And please feel free to share our videos. And we'll see you at the next video.